First, we turn our attention to new developments for 3 Iowa Libertarians fight for their place on the November ballot. Iowa's News Now State House reporter Skylar Talal is live at the state capitol in Des Moines with one of the candidates who's suing to stay on the ballot. And what are we learning tonight, Skylar?
Yeah, Nicole, Marco Battaglia here is one of 3 Libertarians celebrating a Polk County District Court's decision issuing a preliminary injunction. Now, this prevents Iowa Secretary of State from certifying the ballots for November's election. The judge, siding with 3 congressional candidates who were kicked off the ballot in a partisan vote by Iowa's objections panel last week, Republican Attorney General Brenna Bird and GOP Secretary of State Paul Pate sided with Republican challengers who claim Libertarians didn't hold county conventions or select delegates the way they were supposed to. Now, the judge, citing concerns about fairness and the legality of the panel's ruling, putting the certification process on hold until the court can preview the merits of the case. Now, Marco Battaglia here is joining me. You are running for Iowa's 3rd congressional district. Can you just tell me that initial reaction when you heard the judge grant you the preliminary injunction?
Sure. It's kind of the outcome that I was expecting. I was hoping we could avoid this going down to the wire, but here we are.
For sure. And one of the things you had mentioned whenever the objection panel had ruled last week, you guys felt like they were silencing your voice. Can you talk a little bit more about that?
Yeah, and I meant it more in a broader sense, not like so personally. Like, this has happened to plenty of other people before, but usually people that are either from an additional party or an independent or someone that doesn't have as much money as maybe the 2 top of the pile candidates or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so I think we were just the people in that position this time around. So I hope the way this goes, it's helpful to anybody that winds up in this position. Of course, Libertarian Party candidates, but also any other additional parties, or even a Democrat or Republican or independent that might not take huge donations from out of state.
For sure. Well, and thank you so much for joining us here tonight. We are live in Des Moines at the state capitol. Skylar Talal, Iowa's News Now.